Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. My dear sisters, today's our lesson is Makharij. Makharij is a plural word and its singular word is Makhraj. Makhraj means the organ places inside the mouth from which Arabic letters are pronounced. In pronouncing Arabic words, different words are pronounced from different speech organs of the mouth. Sometimes from tongue, sometimes from palate, sometimes from teeth, and sometimes lips or throat. So, my dear sisters, there are 3 rules to reading the alphabet letters. The first is, for a letter that has 2 syllables, read it with a slight stretch. For example, ba plus alif, ba, 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 ta, 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 sa, sa, sa. And the second is the letter which has 3 syllables. Write this and read it. For example, Jim. Jim plus ya plus mem. Jim. Jim. Noon. 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 And third is, read alif and hamza without stretching. For example, alif, 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 hamza, hamza, hamza. Don't read it alif or alif, just read it alif. And similarly, don't read hamza, hamza. Read it just hamza, hamza. Okay, my dear sisters, let us practice the alphabet makharij. Let us see the makhraj of alif. So, my dear sisters, alif is the first letter of an Arabic language and it comes out from an empty part of the mouth. For example, alif, alif, alif. And the next is ba. Ba comes out from the lips, and if we spell it, we should say B double A. Ba, ba, ba. And the next is ta. Ta comes out when the tip of the tongue touches the front of the 2 teeth. For example, ta. When we spell it, we should say T double A. Ta, ta.